Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we have a try on haul featuring CupShe. Y'all know, I've been working with CupShe, but I've been purchasing from CupShe for years now. I absolutely love their clothing. I love that they've expanded from just swimwear, which is what we know and love CupShe for. But y'all, I have probably the best fall haul. I do. I have the best fall haul from you guys. I scoured their app, which if you have not downloaded their app already, now is the perfect time to. I will go ahead and have a link in the description box down below so you can download the CupShe app and you can get 20% off of your first order of $105 or more, which is easy to do because they have so much good stuff. The app is my favorite way to shop. I just think the way it's organized and the way that you can like heart things and all of that, it's just so much easier to shop on the app. I personally have it on my phone and absolutely love it. So you can browse through and see what they have new in for fall. And you guys, I was blown away by how much cute and like trendy but timeless pieces they have, because you know that's really what I look for in my pieces. And this haul is good. Like my last haul was good, but this haul is like the best of the best. I love browsing the CupShe website. They have so many different categories: activewear, fall. They still have swimsuits. If you're going on a winter vacation, definitely check them out for swimsuits. But I absolutely love that you can find quality pieces. Like, they're good quality. I like the attention to detail, which I'm about to share with you. And it's such a good price. And then if you choose to shop on your desktop, I also have a code for you guys, and that is KF15, and you can save 15% off your order if you choose not to shop in the app. But I absolutely love the app, so go ahead, check out that if you're curious in the links down below. Let's go ahead and get into this. I have a big try on haul for you guys. I think I have 8 different pieces, and some are like going to be staples and are my new favorite things. They're already making it into my capsule wardrobe, and some are a little fun and trendy, and I think you're gonna be surprised. So let's jump in. Y'all, this first piece, so good. Okay, you guys know I love button-ups. I've learned the difference between a button-up and a button-down. I love button-ups. They're everything. This is a button-up dress. Oh, I own one button-up dress and I like it, but it's not like, I don't know, it's not my everything. This is my everything. I love everything about this. Let's talk details. So first things first, I love this lapel, like the cover that goes over the front of buttons. I don't know what that's called. I probably should. I'm gonna leave it here. I love that. It looks just so much nicer. You could definitely wear this for workwear. The length of this is perfect. I was a little nervous, so I ordered a medium because I didn't want it to be too tight and I didn't want it to be short. Perfection. But I do recommend sizing up if you're curious. I think that the medium fits me really well. I will have all my links and the specific items linked down below. But I love that attention to detail, not see-through. Absolutely love that. Did wear nude undergarments. I would always, but it's not see-through. I love the large like sleeve cuffs. So cute. I love everything about this. It has a little bit of like a scooped front hem, like front and back hem. The length is perfect. You can wear this so many different ways. So casual, so everything. I always said that dresses would not make it into my capsule wardrobe, but this dress is making it into my capsule wardrobe because it can be styled so many different ways. What I didn't show you is a way that you could put tights underneath it as well, which would be so cute with a pair of boots. But this is perfection. If you get one thing from this haul, this is it. If you do not have a white button-down dress that you actually love, trust me on this. I swear I'm gonna wear this a million different ways. Sweater over the shoulders, sweater over top, sweater vest, jacket, like everything. I'm obsessed with that piece. Okay, the other one I'm also like equally as obsessed with is this ribbed sweater. This is nice, y'all. I love everything about this. The neckline is perfect. It's not mock neck. It's not so low cut. I love like a crew neck, but the perfect amount of like curvature to the neck. I know that sounds so weird, but it's true. I love the rib detailing of this. It's not itchy. I love that this is the perfect amount of oversized. It's a small that I can throw it over my shoulders and use it as like an accessory, but I can also wear it over the top of that white dress. I fell in love. It's so cute. So cute. I love this, everything about it. I love how large the sleeves are. They're very like thick and chunky. And I like that this like armhole, you can kind of scrunch it up a little bit more to give like a more poofy sleeved sort of effect. It is perfection, and the perfect like heathered gray in it. I love the details where the arm meet the body, how it kind of has that little shape and definition. This is so cute. If they have this in other colors, I'm totally ordering more, because this is going to be a staple again in my capsule wardrobe. I already know it. It's so good. So I'm really excited to have this piece. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with sweaters. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with dresses, shorts if you still live in a warmer climate, skirts, everything. So good. Okay, sweater vests are still around. I know they became huge last season, and I have 2 of them. And I love the one I have that's like a thick chunky neck and it's like a little bit longer. So cute. I have one that's very similar to this from Abercrombie, but I will say with that one, it's almost too heavy that it like hangs down, and like, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Like if they're too thick, then they can weigh down and just become like sloppy looking. This is like lightweight enough, still good quality, but lightweight enough where it doesn't like hang down low. It also, big plus, has the design on the front as well as on the back, which I love. I hate when it doesn't have it on the back. I feel like that looks cheap. So I love everything about this. Love the caramel color, love the length. You can wear it long over that sweater or that t-shirt dress, or you can tuck it up a little bit tighter, wear it with jeans. So freaking cute. I love a sweater vest, and if you're looking for them, this one's so affordable and the quality is nice, and it's lightweight, but like a good lightweight. Like I will tell you, my Abercrombie one, the way it even hits on my hanger, like I have to like fold it a different way because it just like droops and it just is not it. So this is everything. I love this color. I love the shape of this, and I love the attention to detail with the design on the back as well. Okay, I'm not normally a skirt girl, but I decided to branch out because I like skirts. I don't know, I just never really wear them. And I used to have one like this in the past, and I'm so happy I picked this up. Perfect fit. I love that it has a zipper to get in and out of on the side. It's the right length. It's not too short by any means. I love the little slit. Again, if you live someplace where it's still warm and you're having a very transitional fall, so cute. If you live somewhere where it's cold, throw some tights and boots on. Adorable. I absolutely love this color. It's kind of like a mahogany, and it's velvety soft. It's the perfect amount of stretch. It's everything. I love this. I am so happy that I branched out and got a little skirt. It's a mini skirt, but I would say it's not like too mini, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. This is so freaking cute, and I love the pleat in this front. I feel like that just helps make sure that it's more fitted. Okay, this next sweater reminded me of my mom. I feel like she used to wear sweaters like this a lot, and they're those open sort of like cape cardigan situations. So cute, like the dolman sleeves. This is awesome for throwing on over the top of that white dress, like I said. Throwing it on with leggings, literally you can wear this so many different ways. It's so oversized and doesn't look like anything, but on, it's so cute. You can also belt it to give your waist more definition if that's the look you're going for. This just screams cozy, comfy. I'm just imagining this with like a white long sleeve, a pair of jeans, and my Birkenstock clogs as well. So cute, so comfy. Love this gray color. I love the little slits in the side. I love everything about this. It's perfection. So if you can't tell, I got some really great pieces, and now those are some of my top favorites. Okay, these next couple pieces, I kind of branched out a little bit, but I still want to share with you why I love them and why I decided to pick them up. Yes, leather shorts. Now, I had said in the past that leather pants aren't really my thing because I can't figure out how to incorporate them into my everyday life. So I was thinking, I have a leather skirt and I do really like that. So I was thinking, what if leather shorts? They're a bit more casual. I can wear them a couple different ways. They're not like a full commitment with a pant. They're just like, whoa, leather pants. I feel like these are a bit more like that in between. I like that they have these stretchy waists so that they fit really well. I can tuck sweaters into them and whatnot. Love this cuff at the bottom. I'm a sucker for a good cuff at the bottom of shorts. These are the perfect length. They're borderline, like if they were even a smidge shorter, I'd be like, absolutely not. You could go up a size. I went with a small. I could have done a medium. Not that they're too like tight on the waist, but I could have gone with a medium so that way it might have been just a bit longer. and I would have a little bit more stretch in the waist. But besides that, the small fits me, and I would say they're true to size, but you could size up. I think these are so fun. These are a fun way to get on board with a trend, but just like dip your little baby toe in them. So cute. Paired the right way with a sweater, you can make it really your own. To try out a trend that's not gonna break the bank, but you're gonna be able to like kind of incorporate it into your own way. And I feel like these are the perfect way to incorporate leather into my wardrobe. And I have to wear them real quick. It's getting pretty cold, but these are a cute transitional piece, especially again, if you live somewhere warm. In Texas, I would have worn these up until like November, probably December. They're so cute. Okay, this next piece, y'all are gonna be like, hear me out. Y'all know I love a good button up. I love it. I wear them day to day. I wear them out to like a nice dinner. But when I wear them like out to a nice dinner or to a bar or something like that, I like to have like a little fun underneath. Does that make sense? I typically do a really nice lacy bra or something like that to kind of just open it up a bit and like show a little bit of like skin, but also keeping it very like me with the button up. So that's why when I saw this, I was like, this is the perfect piece to wear under one of my button ups, or just wear with the next piece I'm about to show you. But this is so cute. This is a little corset top. This is not like underwire, which I really actually like because it's more comfortable than some of the ones that I own that feel like you're constricted. I also really like that the cups themselves are completely like double lined, so you can't see anything, so you don't need to wear a bra. There is slight ribbing in there, but it's very like bendable, so it's not like harsh by any means. Perfect length so that I can tuck it into a pair of jeans. This is just cute. It's giving like a little bit of sex mixed with class if you throw a button up over the top of it. I love this. I thought it was so precious. The detail, everything on it is so cute. It's fun, it's sexy, but it's still me at the end of the day with the way that I pair it. So I think that's really fun and really something that you need to look for when you're browsing their site or any site in general is you might not be gravitated towards that item right away just by like looking at it the way that the model is styled, but think about how you can really, I don't know, fit that into your everyday wardrobe. And that was a piece that honestly when I saw it, I was like, they're gonna be so shocked that I picked this piece, but styled the right way will look so classy and chic, and I'm obsessed with it. I decided to pair it over this though, or pair it under this, which is so cute. I thought it turned out pretty cute. This is like drinks with the girls. This is like what I would imagine wearing drinks with the girls. So very trendy, very cute. But this blazer is so pretty. I really like the black and gray plaid. It's lightweight. It's not a thick, heavy blazer. Again, really good transitional piece. And I like this because if you're layering stuff underneath it, then it's not as like bulky and like so thick and weighed down. But this is so cute. Again, perfect for outerwear, perfect to wear over the top of that little corset. I thought it was really very trendy of me, but nonetheless, this is such a classic piece paired with a white button down. I could have paired it with that dress, with the belt. That would have been cute with some loafers, and you've got a workwear outfit. So cute. They have so much, and that's what I wanted to show you with this haul is like I got the best of the best. I really think I did. So to make it easier for you, all the links are in the description boxes down below. But if you do decide to shop on that app, don't forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box down below so you can save 20% off your order. There's so much out there. There's so many fun pieces that you can find, a variety of things. They're not just swimwear, they're loungewear, they're professional wear, they are everything. Wedding dresses, or wedding guest dresses as well. They've got some super cute ones. So those are all of my pieces that I picked up for my CupShe Fall haul. I feel like my last one was like the intro to fall, very transitional, end of summer. This is like we dove into fall head first, and I am so excited for the pieces that I picked up. So again, don't forget to check out the links in the description box down below to download the app, or you can go ahead and use the code KF15 to save 15% off of your order of $65 or more. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little try on haul, and I'll see y'all on my next one.